guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akashi watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am face a problem. So this is my PC or I don't show any icon. So how to fix this problem? So just I'm click keyboard shortcut Windows plus E, File Explorer, then I'm click desktop, and this is my desktop icon, but I don't show desktop icon. So just 1 minute, I'm tell how to fix this problem. So click right button and refresh it, and again click right button and view, and last option show desktop icon. Just click here and back desktop icons. So I hope like this video, so please subscribe our channel and see you next time. Goodbye.